If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. To extract pages from a PDF using Acrobat, open the PDF containing the pages to extract. Then click the Organize Pages tool in the All Tools panel to show the Organize Pages view of the PDF in Acrobat. The Organize Pages view in Acrobat shows thumbnail images of the PDF's pages in the main document window. Click the thumbnail images for the PDF pages to extract in the document window. To select multiple thumbnails, hold down your computer keyboard's Control key while clicking to make the selections. Then, click the Extract Pages button in the Page Options section of the Organize Pages panel at the left side of the window. A side menu of additional extraction options then appears. By default, Acrobat copies all the selected pages to create a new PDF. The original PDF is not altered. Alternatively, to permanently remove the selected pages from the PDF as part of the extraction process, check the Delete Pages After Extracting checkbox in the side menu of Extraction Options. Separately, to make each extracted page a separate one-page PDF file, check the Extract Pages as Separate Files checkbox in the side menu of Extraction Options. After changing any extraction settings if needed, then click the Extract button in the side menu. Acrobat creates a new PDF and shows it in the document view. By default, Acrobat names the newly created PDF Pages From, followed by the original PDF name. You can rename the PDF when you save it. Alternatively, to replace consecutive pages within a PDF in Acrobat with consecutive pages from a different PDF, click to select the consecutive PDF page thumbnails of the pages to replace within the Organize Pages view. To make a consecutive page thumbnail selection, click the first page thumbnail to select, hold down the Shift key on your keyboard, and then click the last page thumbnail. Then release the Shift key. Then click the Replace button in the Organize Pages panel to open the Select File with New Pages dialog box. Use this dialog box to find and select the PDF containing the replacement pages for the currently selected pages in the PDF. Then click the Open button in the Select File with New Pages dialog box to open the Replace Pages dialog box. If you selected the consecutive page thumbnails to replace before clicking the Replace button, the original section of this dialog box autofills the page information for the pages to replace. Alternatively, if you did not select the pages, then enter the first and last page of the page range to replace into the two fields to the right of the Replace Pages label. Next, enter the starting page of the PDF pages to use from the replacement PDF into the With Pages field in the Replacement section. The To field then automatically selects the same number of consecutive pages to replace from that PDF based on the number of pages you chose to replace within the original PDF. Finally, click the OK button. Then click the Yes button in the message box that appears to confirm the replacement. Acrobat then makes the page replacement. Notice that the thumbnails now show the content from the replacement pages in the PDF. After extracting or replacing pages in Acrobat, make sure to save your changes to the PDFs if needed. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.